Welcome to my channel Programming Wings. If you like the video, please click on like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. In this video I am going to tell what are environment variables, what is path, what is class path and how to set the environment variables. So, what are environment variables? The variables created in operating system to store software binary library files are called environment variables. What are binary and library files? I have explained in the previous video. I will give the link in the description. Go and watch. What is meant by path? Path is used by operating system to identify binary files, and class path is used by the compiler and JVM to identify Java library files. For Java and Java related softwares, we should use below two environment variables, that is path and class path. So, path is a mediator between the developer and the operating system to inform software binary files path. Class path is a mediator between developer and the compiler and JVM to inform the library files path. Those are used in our source code. Path environment variables are inbuilt in available in Windows operating system, so we must just update it with our software path value in Windows. But in Linux and Solar OS operating system, we must create path environment variable. And Java home and class path variables are not by default available in any operating system. They must be created by the developers because they are related to only Java and Java related softwares. So there are two ways we can update the environment variables. First one is temporary setting, second one is permanent setting. First one, temporary setting, means updating the environment variables from command prompt is called temporary setting. So the syntax is set environment variable name equals to and the path. So I will show practically. So go to command, open the command prompt. Now we have to give set path equals to, now we have to give the location of the, and this is the Java home. Inside the Java home, open the bin directory and copy this path, Control C and paste. Now I have to set the library files path, then set class path equals to, and we have to give the dot operator in beginning, and then file location inside the JDK library inside tools.jar. Tools.jar, copy this path, Control C, semicolon, now, and rt.jar to run inside the JRE library. Now we have to search for rt. Copy this path and paste and semicolon, enter. So if you enter like javac, so path variables are set temporarily. After installation of Java, we have to set the environment variables as path and class path. Otherwise, we can't execute our programs from anywhere. from anyway. Next, so if we close this window, what happened? What we are set the path variables that will go on. Now see, javac I have entered the command. So javac is not recognized as internal or external command, operable program or batch file. That means I have set temporarily. So in order to, we have to set permanent. Directly search for environment variables. Edit system environment variables is there. Open this and click on environment variables. Click on, select the path. Select the path. Edit. Here click on new and copy the Java JDK bin library. Copy this path. Click on it. Paste. Click on OK. Now we have to create new environment variable. Variable name is class path. Variable value is dot, semicolon is must, because it has to search in the current working directory also. For that purpose we are giving dot operator. Library JDK. Next, tools. Here search for tools. Copy this path, paste, and JRE library. Search for RT to run the Java files. For that purpose we are giving rt.jar, semicolon, paste. Click on OK. Here class path is also set. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now see, Windows command prompt, open the command prompt. Now search for javac. So Java path variables are set here. Thank you for watching.